Hello everyone, welcome to EdTech. Today we are going to see what's new in Chrome with the latest updates, search with Google Lens and chat with Gemini. Search anything you see on any page with the Google Lens. Google Lens in Chrome makes it easy to search anything you see on your screen. Search within a video you are watching. Open the Chrome menu. Click on this three dot and click the search this page with Google. Now you can see that the Google Lens has searched the contents from the video. To use the Google Lens within a Chrome, open the Chrome menu. Click search this page with Google. Now you can drag and drop this picture into the lens box. The Google Lens will suggest you the search results based on your content. For quicker access, click Pin in the side panel to add the icon to your toolbar. Google Search side panel has been added. Another very interesting feature is chat with Gemini from the address bar. You can quickly get help from Gemini with creative and complex tasks like planning a trip or learning more about a new topic. With this new shortcut in Chrome, type @ in the address bar. Use the arrow key to select the Gemini. Type the prompt. You can get the prompt in the description. After typing the prompt, hit the enter key. So here you will get the response from the Gemini. The Gemini will draft an email for you. You can copy this. You can share and export and draft in Gmail or export to Docs, or you can share with any other application. So here I am clicking the draft in Gmail. Then click the open Gmail. So here you have to just type the recipient email address, change the recipient name, change your name and contact information. So this is the way how we can draft an email by using the Gemini with the new latest updates from the Google Chrome. Today we have seen two new features of Google Chrome, that is how we can use the Google Lens in Google Chrome and chat with Gemini. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and do subscribe to this channel in case you aren't subscribed already. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.